Do you want to win a $1 billion lottery jackpot? $1 billion. You sent this to me. I was like, wait a sec, $1 billion?
Isn't that ridiculous? Like, I've never heard of this before.
Inflation?
$1 billion?
Inflation? People need to see.
That's insane.
People need to see bigger numbers, even on the lottery, to pay for the modern life in 2022. I don't know. Basically, the way this works is, as people don't win the jackpot, as people can't pick the correct 6 numbers, keeps increasing each time that there's no payout. And so this hasn't been won in weeks, apparently. Is that right? Let's see here. No ticket match all the numbers on Tuesday's Mega Millions drawing, and the jackpot will now pass the $1 billion mark. Friday night's draw, a multi-stage game listed at $1.02 billion, making it tied for the second highest prize ever in Mega Millions history. No one picked the 6 numbers. The jackpot has grown so large because there hasn't been a winner in 3 months. So people have been playing this thing, no winner, 3 months, keeps getting bigger and bigger. People are winning, just not the jackpot. They're winning like $1 million here, $2 million there, $3 million for matching some of the numbers, but not all of them. But anyway, somebody's going to get this $1 billion at some point. And it turns out this isn't even the biggest jackpot yet. There was a $1.5 billion jackpot in South Carolina in October 2018.
Wow.
I just think you imagine paying a tax on that one?
Yeah.
This is actually weird. It says that it comes with the $1.02 billion comes with a cash option of $602.5 million. What does the cash option mean?
So you get it immediately or something?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't play these lotteries, Will.
Okay.
I don't play these
Well,
lotteries.
I guess with tax, you're not an instant billionaire
No.
in this case.
Well, unless it keeps growing.
Yeah,
If it gets up to like $2 billion,
sure.
then you are an instant billionaire. You go talk immediately to Elon. You're like, hey, man.
Let's make some moves.
Hey, man, I'm with you now.
Yeah.
He's like, no, you're not.
Can we rent a boat and party?
He's like, you just won like a Mega Millions draw. Like, exactly. I'm here now.
I can make rockets too.
Let's talk about drag coefficient.
Yeah.